Well, good morning guys. The day has finally come where I will be installing the seats right over yonder. And if you guys could see through the intro video, I will be installing the Braum Orue racing seats as well as Braum's harnesses, which actually will be in the next video. So if you watch this one first, well, you gotta watch this one first to get to the next one. So today's gonna be fun. I've been waiting on this project for about 3 months and I am beyond excited. I am beyond excited. So I'll be working on this with my girlfriend Bailey.
Good morning.
And Bailey's dad. Hi. Today's gonna be fun and I'll just throw in a couple clips and we'll just get through it together. It'll be fun. So let's get this going. So we just took out the bolts here using a 8mm on top of a impact, and so we're just about ready to pull these out. And the next thing that we're about to do is just lean it backwards, disconnect the seat belt harness, if you will, and then we'll disconnect the airbag harness as well. So we're about to just do that on the passenger side, and then we're already bending over the seat right here. We're gonna install the bracket and sliders and all that. Thank you. Seat number one is out. Just disconnected the harnesses. And we'll clean her up a little bit and then get to the rest of her. We got to this point where we took both our seats out, and so we're just about ready to put them in, but we got to drill four holes in here. We got to drill one right here for our crotch belt. We got to drill one right here into the transmission tunnel, and that'll be for our lap belt. And then we will be taking this factory bolt out, and we'll be replacing that with a eye bolt. And this is also where the harness bar will come down. That's the arm of the harness bar, and then you'll have your actual place where the harness will sit on, right about here. Bailey just vacuumed out my side, or the passenger side. I just took out the driver's side real quick. We will put the airbag resistor right inside there. Of course, vacuum all this out, because once you have these seats out, you really should just clean it out as best as you can. But yeah, this is where you'll have your mounting brackets sit along all 4 of these bolts. So George is working on that right now. So we'll just put it all together, slap it on in, get some measurements for where we're gonna drill through, and then yeah, that'll be pretty much about it. Oh man. Damn, that thing's tight. Shit. Alright. Oh. Wow, man. shit. That's pretty good. So we've been moving pretty quick with the car. Let me just clean up a little bit first of all. Basically, what we got going on is we got the harness bar put in, and that was kind of a pain in the butt, but I will say we got the bottom tie bar in. I put it in with those eye bolts on both sides. We even had to drill through the transmission tunnel and put an eye bolt in there with a backing plate. And then we also drilled in the middle. Careful lookout for the fuel lines. And then yeah, we got both sides done in the harness bar, and all we have to do is just really tighten it up and we're good to go. But we are doing pretty good on progress right now. So I said the next thing that we got to do is just put in the seats. And once we got the seats in, then we're ready to put in the harnesses. And then yeah, we should be hopefully done with it. So we're about ready to put those seats in. And currently working on, oh, it's down here. Yeah, so we took those harnesses and put a relay for the seatbelt, or excuse me, for the airbag warning light. And so we got that in. He's working on.
I'm soldering.
Yeah, he's finishing up on that. And then we got our harness bar in, and we are pretty much ready to wrap up today's project by putting the seats in and finishing up with the harnesses. And then we should call it a day after that one. Boy, we've been out here since what, like 9, you'd say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's casually working.
Casually working.
Yeah.
It's been fun.
It has been fun. It's actually been. I'm impressed how good everything fits, to be honest.
I know. We had some problems with the fit up for these guys, but he got them trimmed very good, I'd say. All the way back.
Yeah. And then go ahead and put all underneath.
Oh yeah.
That's smarter.
And then oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All the way. Oh yeah. God, these look really good.
They do. I'm really happy with them.
I was a little skeptical of your choice of white and black instead of red and black.
Yeah.
But yeah, they look good.
They do.
Yeah.
Indeed.
And I'm kind of happy about how this top A-pillar cover turned out.
Great.
That was a nightmare at first. I'm like, how are we gonna do this?
Yeah.
And then the nice part is we drilled the holes nice, the carpet, we weatherproofed, it, which really doesn't matter because your fender well.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what?
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, feel free and like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on those notifications if you want to. Highly recommend it though. But I really hope you guys enjoyed that video. So like I said, if you did, feel free and drop a like and subscribe down below, and we'll catch you in the next one. How about that?